I'm gonna try to put in this drop spring. This is a Posies Super Slider. They're pretty cool. They have the reverse eyelets and then they have these little sliders in the spring. I use my Pt.4 to spread open the spring so you can get the little shackle hangers off. And we'll see if we can do that here. Or slide the spring off of it. A little sketchy. A little danger. But it seems to be the safest way to do it. It's the way I've done it previously. Those old guys have been in there a minute though. Yeah, she's still a little stuck. Take off the pressure here. And see how far those stretch up before you can get those in there. Like a spring compressor. Hurt the back. Come on, baby. There she is.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, so here's our new dog bones, our new bushings. They use these, what feels like really shitty plastic ones, but they're actually, the friction in them as they grind down, they're a lubricant, like a graphite. And it looks like we have to take out this old bushing. So let's see how that goes. Trying to get those bushings out by knocking them out. Wasn't working. Alright, so we're gonna try drilling these to size instead of beating anything up here. So that's what all we've been doing. Alright, let's try this. Seems to be working. Well, it's 8 o'clock. The drill's too hot to touch. The pieces are really hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it in the morning. Get ourselves together here. Because we're a mess. So, I don't even know what day it is today. I think I got 3 weeks till Huff. I got this car torn apart. Suspension's all torn out of front. Old man Ruben's doing some interior panels for me. I mean, we got things going on from one end to the other. Last night we were trying to drill those bushings out. So what it was originally was this rubber piece was in a stainless sleeve that was pressed into the end of this wishbone, and so kind of molten to my drill bit last night. So we're gonna try to resharpen that and give it a go again. Jared watched me struggle and he's like, hey, you need to do that, get that waller and bit in there and just cut a groove in it. And that worked beautifully. The drill bit wasn't doing anything, but I was able to just take that waller and bit through there, kind of cut 2 little grooves in it. It got it right on out of there. You can see how blue that one was getting. And like Jared was saying, it's just getting harder the more we heat it. So now the bushings will go in. So let's get those set in there. Beautimus. Made sure to get that pin up through there. Oh, can't see it. Yeah, get that pin up through there.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.